Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a group on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click here and now click group settings. Here as you see you'll find create group, click on it and here you can name your group, you can add here description, and after this just click you can here manage your settings, and after this click here and that's it, it will be created. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.